The civil authorities have issued a required weekly test for all of Connecticut, all of District of Columbia, all of Delaware, all of Florida, all of Georgia, all of Indiana, all of Kentucky, all of Massachusetts, all of Maryland, all of Maine, all of Michigan, all of North Carolina, all of New Hampshire, all of New Jersey, all of New York, all of Ohio, all of Pennsylvania, all of Rhode Island, all of South Carolina, all of Virginia, all of Vermont, and all of West Virginia beginning at 11:01 a.m. and ending at 12:01 p.m. Test message equals open cap EAS feed configuration test message.
Okay. Now we got our first RWT of May, but we have a bigger problem. You can see about my light over here, it is purple. That's why you see that parts of this thing purple. Yeah, you can see my light is purple. If you're wondering, why is it purple when there is no tornado emergency in effect? Or a flash flood emergency? Why is it purple? Well, I'll show you. This. You are seeing that right. You're seeing this correct. Day 1, high convective risk. High convective risk. Oklahoma City and more are under this. That is why my light over here. That is why my ceiling fan over here is purple. As far as I can tell, this is going to be absolutely way worse than April 27, 2024 that we will ever see. This is exactly 9 years to the day of May 6, 2015, where a tornado emergency was declared for Newcastle and Western Bridge Creek area. So people across Western Bridge Creek and as well as Newcastle, history might repeat itself. Oh, and El Reno is included in the high risk. And Clinton, Oklahoma is on the edge of being in the high risk. Yeah, Northwestern McLean is in the high risk. Pottawatomie is in the high risk. Cleveland, Oklahoma County, Canadian. Grady County is in this. It's Canadian, Kingfisher, Lincoln, Logan, as well as Payne. As well as these areas in the high-end moderate risk, better be prepared for an extreme tornado outbreak across Oklahoma City and more. I can tell Custer County is, parts of Custer County is in the high risk, as well as Washita County. So, Oklahoma City, get ready.